co-angler is described as an amateur angler who fishes from the back of a professional angler's boat during a tournament. My name is Nathan Hance, and I am the co-angler. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? So today on this episode of the co-angler, it's actually just a fun fishing day. We're fishing the Sacramento River out of Sacramento, close by the airport. Launched out there, had a great time. Got out with a buddy from work and really enjoyed the day. Had a great day. Caught some smallmouth. He catches a super nice striper that you guys will see in the video. But it was a great day. It was a great time out on the water. It was really fun. A new spot that I'd never been before. Really enjoyed it. We're definitely going to get out there again. So not a tournament today, like I said, just a fun fishing day, just getting out there on the water. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's jump right into it.
Figure out what the boat's gonna do.
Somebody slapped at it.
Stand up. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Okay. We'll have to try again.
Oh, there's one. Oh, really? Oh yeah. See this? Well, they're on the rocks. Now, I said they're on the rocks, not a whole bunch of them, but they're on it.
Nothing on the chatterbait, huh?
No.
Here, can you stand up down there real quick? 'Cause I'm gonna get something. Just try it.
There's another one.
Oh, you got one? Oh.
Little guy. It's alright, that's easier than him kicking and me getting a hook in my hand, or yeah, getting spined by him.
Come here. Come up here. You hit him with your bait. You hit him with your bait. You can hurt him because it's got a hook. Come up here. Let me check your bait. Because I don't want you to hurt anybody.
Reel it in.
Come up here. Reel it in.
Yeah, out of nowhere. Oh, there's one.
Oh, Daddy, got one.
Yeah.
A little bit better.
Those aren't the largemouth that you're talking about, are they?
You dummy. Whew, he was just barely hooked. I don't know what that was, but oh, there's one. Oh, that's a better one.
That is good.
Wow, that is so big.
What's going on, buddy?
Yeah, that is big. Mommy got 5.
We're a team. So when he catches one, it's like you catch one.
I didn't catch
See how he...
Oh. Yeah, probably another small one. I got one. Easier when they're bigger and you can actually feel them.
Yeah.
Dang it. Stop, dude.
Are we gonna keep that one?
Nope.
Please.
Put him back.
What?
Man, the way that was
Another little one just come up to get it. There's one. There's one.
Well, I didn't catch it.
Oh, he got it.
Stop. You got pliers right there, Jason?
Huh?
You got pliers right there?
You gotta stop. Where's he?
What's that? Just right out, kind of off the edge, right out there.
Like this favorite. Apple, grape, and lemon.
Oh, did you see that pike?
No. Another pike out here.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, stand up. Stand up. I got you. Stand up. Stand up by that.
Oh,
he came off!
Oh, no.
I had one. Decent one. It
Good
came
one?
off, yeah.
crankbait again, or?
Yeah. There's one.
Found a pike.
This is a good one, buddy.
It's a good one.
It's better.
Oh yeah.
That was a big one.
Oh, it came off.
Right in the net, though.
Right? Oh, sorry. Did I get you?
No, you're good.
Sorry, man.
You got me. It's okay. Daddy, I can't hold that big fish. Is this fun? When you got one,
You got another one?
That's a good one, yeah.
All right.
hurry up. Go. That fish is so big.
Oh yeah. That is a good one.
Get it. It's not moving.
Oh yeah.
Riker, what is it? I'm working on it, dude.
it. Just try to get it.
But I am.
What is that? Is that bass?
I
If
don't
that's a
know.
bass, that's huge.
Didn't look like a striper, did it?
Yep.
It's a fucking
Oh my
giant
gosh.
striper,
Try to get it.
That's a big striper. Is that 6-7 pound
dude.
one?
I don't know. We'll
I've been freaked out of striper because I've been told they spine you, that you're freaking hurting for days.
wait. Oh, any of those fish will. I am, buddy. Hold on.
It's a big one. We got. Contest you got on.
10.
Okay. Always count on a striper from the Delta. I will, buddy. As soon as he gets up here, I'll get him. Gosh, that's a good fish. Those bass were just like coming whatever. These ones are... Yeah, wear it out. Oh, look at that thing. That's awesome.
On a little friggin'.
Ooh, careful. Here, you want me to set this down?
That is big.
A little frickin' crankbait, dude. And way back in the pocket.
That is crazy.
Yeah, that is big.
Look at how big that one is.
I know, that was a big one.
Here.
That was a giant one. That was actually so giant.
Will this hold it?
Should. Six. Won't walk.
Can I touch
630
that
something.
guy? Daddy, can I touch that?
Yeah, dude. This is
Daddy,
That one?
Yeah, a little one. I saw him come up and get it. It was just sitting there. Shake yourself off there.
Like, jump off.
he has actually.
Oh, heck yeah. There's one. No.
It was a good one. It was a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Tucker,
It's a good one, buddy.
Nathan,
Yeah.
that was a good one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Trevor?
Strawberry.
Right, see that.
Will you hand me those pliers right there, bud? Little black ones? There you go. You can put those back. Thank you. You got one? Good one?
Like we've been catching.
Wow!
Yeah. All right, everybody, so that is it for us today. Like I said, it was a great day, fun day. I got to throw a crankbait all day, which is one of my favorite things to do. Really just had a good time out there. Caught a lot of fish. It was fun. It was really enjoyable. That striper was awesome. It ended up being, I think, 6.5 pounds is what it was. So it was a really good time. Great time out on the water. It was great getting out with Jason and taking his son out. We had a good time all the way around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified when we put out a new video. Our next video is going to be Lake Oroville, New Gen Bass Pro-Am on Lake Oroville. It's going to be a good video, so you guys will want to tune in and check that out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Tight lines, get out there and catch a big one.